3,700 plus square foot home, built in 1994, is surrounded by exquisite landscaping, with a koi pond and a variety of flowering shrubs overviewed by the big country-style front porch. Out back is a beautiful pool and plenty of maintenance-free deck area for entertaining. Inside, the expansive floor plan includes a great room with cathedral ceiling, living room with fireplace, a modern eat-in kitchen, a deluxe master suite, and 2 guest bedrooms on the main floor, plus a finished basement with office and carport. The exterior is fiber cement board. It has central cooling, forced air, gas heat, and a powerful backup generator. Private well and septic. Taxes equate to $4,647. The schools would be Mason Cove Elementary and Glenver Middle and High School. Bring the horses home to this perfectly appointed horse facility, located in a rural, horse-friendly area of Roanoke County, with riding and hiking trails nearby. The main barn has 5+ stalls, a center aisle, wash, tack, and feed rooms, run-in shed and large machine storage or workshop area, plus a second barn offering 4 more stalls. For more information about this property and any other property in the Roanoke Valley, contact Dana and Mickey Patrick at 540-342-9600.